Hi, readers and writers. Are you ready to get started with today's lesson? Today, we will be doing some interactive writing.
Materials!
For today, you will need to grab a pencil and some paper. Let's get started. We have 4 learning targets today. The first is, I can review taught phonemes, high-frequency words, and decodable words. I can review taught graphemes and phonemes. I can segment and blend sounds into a spoken word. And finally, I can collaborate with my teacher to write a sentence with CVC, CVCC, and high-frequency words.
Transition song!
Gather round together, together, together. Gather round together, together right now. We're going to play a quiz game, a quiz game, a quiz game. We're going to play a quiz game to check what we've learned.
Word work!
We are going to play question and switch again. This is a fun way for us to review the letters and sounds that we've been learning. Today, we are going to change things up a little bit. This time, we are going to take the beginning sound of a word, the onset, and match it with the correct ending of the word, the rhyme. And that will make a complete word. Let's look at our choices for the onset or beginning sound. P, I, C, Z, T, S, and SH. For the rhyme, my choices are ip and ash. If I select the onset p in the rhyme ash, what did I make? That's right, pash, p-ash. Is that a real word? No, but thanks for sounding out that nonsense word with me. Let's try it again. Let's pick a different onset. How about Z? So we have the sound Z. What rhyme should I choose to go with the onset Z? You've got it. I'm going to choose IP, ip. So we put that word together and we get Z, I, P, zip. Nicely done. Let's try another combination. If I pick the S from the onset column, and then I put it together with the ash from the rhyme column, what word do I make? That's right, sash. S-a-sh, sash. Let's try one more combination. What if I choose the sh, sh from the onset column? What could I put that with? Let's try the IP. What word did I make? Tap it out with me. Sh, I, p, ship. Excellent work figuring out new words using the onset and rhyme.
Transition song!
Now let's all be writers, be writers, be writers. Now let's all be writers like the authors we love. Listen to the sentence, sentence, sentence. Listen to the sentence we will write as a group.
Writing!
Now, we are going to do some interactive writing. This means that we will be writing a sentence together. So grab that pencil and your piece of paper. Our sentence today is, did the sun quit? Say that with me. Did the sun quit? Let's start thinking about that first word, did. Tap that out with me. D-I-D, did. What sound do you hear at the beginning of the word did? A D. And what letter makes the sound D? That's right, a letter D. But we know that since it's the beginning of a sentence, we will need an uppercase or capital letter D. Let's finish this word together. D-I-D, did. Nicely done. Let's keep going with our sentence. You'll see that I added the word the since it's one of our high frequency words from previous lessons. But what did I leave between the words did and the? You've got it, a space. That lets the reader know that we're starting a new word. What word came next in our sentence? Did the... That's right, sun, because our whole sentence is, did the sun quit? Let's tap out that word sun together. S-un, sun. Let's go ahead and write what we have so far on your piece of paper. When we start with that uppercase letter D, you will need to start at the top line because it's a tall letter. Starting there, pull down, up, and around. An I, pull down and dot. And a D starts like a magic C. Pull back and around to the top line and down. After you leave that space, or a finger space, go ahead and write the high frequency word, the. Let's write a letter T. Starting at the top line, pull down and cross. And then for that lowercase h, pull down, up to the middle line, over, make a hump. For that lowercase e, we start just below that middle line. Pull over, back, and around. Leave another space, and then let's write a letter S. Starting just below that middle line, pull back, in, around, and back around. For a U, pull down and around, up and down. And finally, that lowercase n. Starting at the middle line, pull down, up, over, make a hump. Let's look at what we have so far. Did the sun... What's next? That's right, quit. Quit starts with that k-w-it, quit. So we need what letter? A Q. We'll start with that lowercase q. Let's write it on our paper together. It starts like a magic C. Pull back and around, up, down, under with a hook. Then we need its buddy U. Pull down, around, up, and down. And then a lowercase I. Pull down, make a dot. And finally, that lowercase t. Pull down and cross. All right, now you have the words, did the sun quit? But what do we need at the end of our sentence? This time, we don't need a period because we are asking a question. So at the end of your sentence, you need to make a question mark. Go ahead and add that to the end of your sentence, starting just below the top line. Okay, let's read this whole sentence together, pointing under each word as you read. Did the sun quit? Excellent job writing a whole sentence.
Closing reflection.
Today, you reviewed letters and sounds and irregularly spelled words, and you helped me to write a sentence. I am wondering, how does tapping out words help us with our spelling? Amazing job writing today. I hope you are so proud of yourself. You can show off your sentence and then get ready for some more learning with me next time.